Hey, I am back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to get this sleek, sexy looking ponytail with stretched natural hair or whatever hair you working with, girl. I'm gonna show you this. I'm a spicy mommy with an attitude looking hair, okay? Pero like, why you looking my way, papi? So anyways, you guys, I'm just gonna show you how to get this style. Now just look at me. Feeling myself. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you are subscribed. And yeah, love you guys. On to the video. So we're going to start off with a brush and a rat tail comb, eco styler gel and a toothbrush, got to be glued, and water and a scrunchie. Those are everything you need. And don't forget them bliss sticks because my lips was chapped and I can't be on camera like that. So I'm going to just take down my hair. It was from that braid out that I did in my last video. Just had my hair in a puff. It was looking cray cray. But your girl is going to take her rat tail comb and make a kind of curved part. And I am very particular on my straight part, so I love taking that middle part and cleaning it up, y'all. Next, I'm going to take my brush just to like tame it down so everything falls in place. And I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel and just add some gel to the parts and brush it in place. So, you guys, brushing, oh my gosh, it is the hardest part. Getting everything to lay down, especially when your hair wants to fly up. The easiest part is the side. But the hardest part is the front, you guys, because having that little bang over, on your forehead, it's hard because it creates these little spaces. So you got to add like tons of gel so it sticks in place and it doesn't have any cracks in it. Look at the front, you guys. I had enough, so I just sprayed some water just to tame it a little bit more and just brushed it. And continued brushing. You guys, I don't really know how to explain this, but you see what I'm doing. Also, I use the soft side of my brush because the hard part creates all these like parts and openings where it needs to be slick, cunty. So yes, look at that. Ooh, okay. Y'all arms are going to be burning after this because it is a real live workout. So I'm just going to brush all my hair down. I brushed the rest of my hair with the hard side of my brush. So now we're going to take the scrunchie and we're going to get to pulling our hair back. And oh, we're looking like a sexy mommy. Okay, I'm looking at myself, trying to make sure everything is good and in place. And you see them little cracks? Yeah, brush those out. You want to make sure everything is smooth and in place before you put the ponytail holder in because it's going to be hard to fix it. So you see those little spaces? I'm just going to take my brush and a little bit of gel and just, cover those gaps up. Now I'm going to take my got to be glued in my toothbrush and just a little bit and just run it along the edge of my little bang curve, whatever you want to call it, so it stays in place like a helmet. Okay, so now we're on to the edges, mommy. So I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel and my toothbrush and just lay those babies. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of the gel and lay my sideburns. Or did I? Oh, nope, I didn't even do that. Okay, so I'm going to take the Gatsby Glued and apply it on top of the Eco Styler gel. Because like I told y'all, if y'all watched my braid out video, Eco Styler gel has low-key not really been working for me, but working for me, but not working for me. So I gotta add the extra layer of protection to secure the edges, you guys. And I'm just gonna lay down my little sideburns, because my sideburns be all over the place, y'all. They be wildin'. And on this side with the swoop, you kind of want to be careful because you do not want to mess up the swoop. So lay a little bit of baby hairs, call it a day on this side. Now I'm going to take my brush and just brush down my little baby hairs on my neck because I just feel like it's so cute. I don't use gel for my neck. Now I'm just gonna take some Eco Styler gel, rub it on my hands just to secure my helmet head and keep everything, any flyaways, out the way. And there we have it. There's the back. Now for a second look, if you guys want to look really put together, you can use like a donut and put your hair in a bun, a sleek, nice bun in the back. Y'all, I know my bun look janky. That's because I was not wearing my hair in this style, so I was not finna do it. But you get the point. Now I'm going to take a pick and just pick out my bush in the back just to add a little bit more puffiness and volume. I gotta add my earrings because I feel like this style, you need those hoops. Like, ooh, yes, girl. You look nice. That or some like diamond studs would really do this look justice. Now time for my favorite, slow-mos. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you guys want to see more hair videos, definitely comment some styles down below. I'm giving y'all mad attitude. Ooh. But anyways, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at @TheRealColey. Yeah, show love. Bye, you guys. Thanks so much for supporting me. Stay blessed. Mwah. Love you. Bye.